Hello, fellow traders. Nutty Bar Trading coming to you. It is Tuesday, October the 8th, and let's do a real quick recap before the P&L resets. I got a little bit delayed on doing my recap video. I was actually trying to work on doing basically an update on the probation status, and it's just taking me too long, so I'm just going to quickly do this video for the recap video, and then I'm just going to make another video regarding the probationary status on accounts, and I'll just kind of share as much info in that video. So just FYI, that video should be dropping sometime tonight, so stay tuned for that if you're wondering for and looking for more information on the probationary status for Apex. So anyway, let's dive in on today. Honestly, oh man, it's unfortunate actually. I felt like I ended my stream at the wrong time, as you can see. So this morning we had a huge move higher, and it doesn't show. Actually, I need to switch to micros for you to be able to see this. Give me a second. So right here. So this morning we had a big move higher. We pulled back to the EMA. I took my first loss right here, just a small loss. I was just not liking what I was seeing. So I cut my loss here, and then I re-entered long right here. This was with 4 micros. And I actually had a really good entry. I hit my first profit target, and then I did something stupid. And that is when I cut my trades, when I don't allow my trades to work. And I've actually noticed that I've started doing that a little bit more maybe the last week. And I'm not sure why. I don't like when I do it. And this is a good example of why. Basically, I had my profit target at the 230s, that which was close to 250 ticks, which would have been about a $250 winner. And yeah, I just kind of talked myself out of it, and I ended up cutting the trade for basically break even. And as you can see, we would have easily hit my profit target. So I'm just disappointed that I didn't allow my trade to work. I had a really good entry. I had a good trade. I had a good setup. And I just was a little bit too impatient on the trade. So it's unfortunate. Hang on. Now I need to show the next trade we took here was with minis. And so I got faked out right here on this trade. Obviously, we made highs here all the way up to the 270s, but then we just started making lower highs again. And when we bumped our head up on this EMA again, I was finally okay. I kind of talked myself into taking a short, just because of the trend was going lower. And yeah, I took a short position right here. This trade, I feel like I jumped the gun a little bit. My entry trigger should have been like at the 180, 187s, 187, 188s. Got in a little bit early, and I paid the price. We ripped higher. I got stopped out. I'm totally fine with that. I mean, it is what it is. We take our losses, and then we had a pullback. I got a really nice entry here and a really nice trade on this one. But then I ended stream. And of course, when I ended stream, you can see we had a really, really nice uptrend the rest of the day. Well, most of the day. And I missed some really nice setups. Right here would have been a nice setup. Would have been a nice setup here. It is what it is. You're not going to catch them all. So it is what it is. But yeah, it could have been a better day. The red day doesn't bother me as much. Me not being patient and not letting my trades work, that bothers me a lot more than being red. So it wasn't a big red day, but I feel like it should have been a green day. and everything considered. But it is what it is. We ended the day red, and that's what we're gonna be, and we're gonna be fine with it. We'll be back at it again tomorrow. Again, I will give more updates on the DCA information. Tonight, I'm working on I'm trying to get a video together to kind of show everyone, compile a couple different videos. Daryl did an interview. John did a new video as well, and I was actually able to communicate a little bit with John directly and get some information, and hopefully just get that information to you guys. So stay tuned, and stay tuned for that video, I guess. So anyway, that's all I got. Take care. Hope you guys all have a great rest of your day, and God bless.